See the expression. It is a power m into a power n. What is the value of a power m into a power n?
A power m plus n.
Yep.
Equal to a power n plus 1. Okay. See this. This is the a. 7 by 9 is our a. Okay. Minus 3 is our m. And 4x minus 12 is our n. So 7 by 9. Add the powers. Minus 3 plus 4x minus 12 equal to 7 by 9 whole to the power 9. Do you understand this one? So which is equal to 7 by 9 minus 3 minus 12. What is the answer? Please respond. Minus 3 minus 12. Minus 15 plus 4x equal to 7 by 9 whole to the power 9. See here, bases are equal. Bases are equal. So equating the powers. Do you understand? Any doubt? No response.
Have you understand this one? Akshaya?
Yes, sir.
Now you do it.
So minus 15. Bases are equal. Then equating the powers. Minus 15 plus 4x equal to 9. So what is our x value?
6, ma'am.
6. 4x equal to 9 plus 15. Minus 15 comes to this side. It will become plus. X value into 4 comes to this side by 4. 15. 24. Correct?
24, ma'am.
Okay. 4, how many times to get 24? 4 table 24.
Ma'am, 6, ma'am.
6. Therefore, our x value equal to 6. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, 12th sum. Use the LCM into HCF formula. We already solved this
Lcm
question.
into Hcf is equal to product of two number.
What is our HCF? What is our HCF? All of you solve this sum, say answer. 12th sum. What is the answer?
30.
HCF equal to product of two numbers.
13, ma'am. 13.
13, ma'am.
Same answer? Have you got same answer? Shall I go to next sum?
Okay.
Okay.
Do it next.
Next, 13th question. 13th. HCF of 8, 9, 20.
HCF of 8, 9, 25 is
How much?
Ma'am, 1, ma'am. 1, ma'am.
1, ma'am. 1, ma'am.
1,
1, ma'am.
3, ma'am.
D
Ma'am.
option, ma'am.
See.
No common factor.
Yes, yes.
No common.
Here we have to find the
No
8,
comment.
9, 25 HCF. How to write 8 in product of prime numbers?
2 cube. 2 cube, ma'am.
Q,
2 into 3 square, 5 square.
3 square, 5
3
square.
square, 5 square.
5 square, ma'am.
Number. So,
No common factor, ma'am.
so
Ma'am, 1, ma'am.
So it is
1, ma'am.
Option D. Next, 14th one. 14th question.
if b is equal to 3, then
Then
any
A.
integer can be expressed as
Express as
A equal to.
ma'am, a, ma'am.
We can use Euclid division algorithm. What is the general form of Euclid division algorithm? A equal to.
A is
Ma'am,
equal
A
to
is equal to
B
b cube plus r, ma'am.
What is the range of R?
Ma'am, range of
More
r
than less than B.
more than less than b, ma'am.
In this case, given what is our B value? What is our B value?
3, ma'am.
3
3, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
value substitute in this equation.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, R is equal to 0. First is
So, A equal to 3Q plus R.
plus R.
0 less than or equal to or less than 3. If when R equal to 0, when R equal to
R
0,
is equal to 0. 3Q, ma'am.
so A equal to 3Q, correct?
3Q, yes, ma'am.
Next, when R equal to 1, what is our A value?
3Q plus 1.
3Q plus R. In this case, R value 1. So our A value is 3Q plus 1. When R equal to
When R is equal to 2, A
3Q
is equal to
plus
3
2, ma'am.
plus 2.
A equal to
3Q plus 2.
plus 2. When R equal to 3, is it possible?
Option A.
No, ma'am. Less
No.
than
No,
3
No,
only.
ma'am.
Is
Less than 3 only, ma'am.
1.
Less than 3, ma'am.
Less than 3.
Less than B, ma'am.
Possibilities of
So,
remainder.
Which option is correct? Our A
Yeah,
value
ma'am.
A option, ma'am.
plus 1 and 3Q plus 2. Which option, Ra?
A option.
A.
First option.
Option A is correct.
ma'am. A, ma'am.
15th question. 15.
Option C, ma'am.
Express 98 as product of its primes. 98. Right? Product of prime numbers. Which table? First prime number, 2 table.
Ma'am, 2, ma'am. 2 table, ma'am.
2, ma'am.
2 4 are 8, ma'am. Balance 1, ma'am.
Okay.
6, ma'am.
49 times.
46, ma'am.
Okay.
49, ma'am.
7.
Which table?
7 7, sir, ma'am.
7 sevens. So 98 equal to 2 into 7
2
into
into
7.
7 square, ma'am.
Which is equal to
49
C
into
option, ma'am.
7
98,
square.
ma'am.
So option. Which
Seven-
option? Ra?
C. C, ma'am. C option, ma'am.
C, ma'am. C, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt? Up to here, any
No, ma'am.
doubt? No. All of you open exercise 1.2. All of you open exercise 1.2. Read sixth sum. We left 2 sums, correct? All
Yes,
of you
ma'am.
should read sixth sum in 1.2. Read anyone? Speak out, Ram. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. This is one number. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. What are composite numbers? What are composite numbers? Say definition for
Ma'am, no common factor, ma'am.
no
only one
common factor.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is the prime number.
One common factor.
What
More
is
than one factor.
What are composite numbers? More than?
One factor.
More than one, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes. It says 1.2. Sixth sum. Given numbers are 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. First, what are composite number? Composite. Composite
More than
number has
one
more
factor,
than
ma'am.
2 factors. More
More
than
than two factors.
More than two
Two factors.
factors. Do you understand? More than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Say examples for composite numbers.
Ma'am, 1.
1. 1 is not composite number and not prime number.
4.
1 is neither nor, correct, Ra? Again you are saying Nidna.
2 is our prime number. Okay. 3 is also our prime number. 4 is our
Composite number, ma'am. Composite number, ma'am.
How can you say 4 is our composite number?
Ma'am, because it is divisible
More
by
than 2
2, ma'am.
factor, ma'am.
It is 2 into 2. And
Ma'am, 6, ma'am, next.
every number has 1 is 1 factor and itself are the factors, correct? So 4, how many
And next
factors?
is 6 also,
1
ma'am.
and itself. Itself means 4 and 2, correct? 4 factors, 1, 2, 4. How many factors
4.
here? How many factors? Count the factors. How many factors? 3
3
factors.
factors.
It is more
ma'am.
than 2, correct? More than 2 factors.
Yes, ma'am.
So 4 is called composite number. Say any example for composite number?
Ma'am, 6.
6. Okay. 6.
Ma'am,
6 factors into 2 into 3, correct? And every number has 1 and itself are the factors. See how many factors? 2, 3, 1 itself. Total how many factors? 4
And
factors.
3 factors. 4
Three.
factors.
4 factors. So it is more than 2 factors. So 6 is our composite number. Do you understand composite number?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See this question. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. It is the composite number. How to explain this is composite number? See this number 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. In these two numbers, this is 7 into 11 into 13 is one number and 13 is the one number, correct? Do you understand or not? How many numbers are
Understood,
here?
ma'am.
Total is one
Ma'am,
number.
how, ma'am?
See, 7 into 11 into 13. After multiplication, we get one number, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 13. It means these are two numbers, correct? 13 is one number and this is one number. Understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So, in
Two
these two
terms.
number, which is common? Which is common?
Ma'am, 13.
13. Take 13 is common.
Okay.
7
13.
into 11 into 1. Correct? 1
Yes, ma'am.
plus 13. 13 ones are 13. Do you understand this one? This step. 13 into 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1. Do you
Okay, ma'am.
understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
this number, entire number, factors are 30 into some number, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many numbers, how many factors here? 2 factors. One is 13, another one is 13 into 11 into 1 plus 1. Correct? Here we have 2 factors. One is 13 and remaining is, another factor is this one. Do you understand or
Yes,
not?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So every number has one is one factor and itself are the factors, correct? Total how many factors are here? Total. More than 2 factors. Is it clear? Do you understand or not? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Every number has one and itself are the factors. So here we have 2 factors, correct? And 13 is the one factor. This number also another factor. Here we get 4 factors. It means more than 2 factors, correct? So this number is composite number.
Composite number.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we have
Okay, ma'am.
more than 2 numbers, then it is a composite number. And given another number, correct? What is that number? In question given Another number. Say anyone that number. See, we know 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is the composite number. And here given one more number. Correct? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Take this, consider that number. What is given number? Say anyone.
6 into 5 into 4 into
7 into 6
6
into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into
2
1
into
plus
1 plus 5.
5. Here we have to show that this is the composite number. First, write the composite number definition. Okay, composite number means more than 2 factors. It is called composite numbers. So, see these two numbers. This is one number, and 5 is one number.
One.
In the two numbers, which is common? Which is common? 7 into 6 into 5. Here one more 5. In these two numbers, which is common?
5, ma'am.
5 is the common. All of you understood? Take
ma'am.
5 is the common remaining. 7 into 6 into
And
4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Correct? Plus 5 into 5 ones are 5.
Plus 1.
Any doubt?
Understood, ma'am.
Okay. See this number. So here 5 is the one factor. Here 5 is one factor. This whole number is one factor, correct? Do you understand or not? Here 5 is one factor. And this entire number, this is another factor. Do you understand? Please respond.
Completed, Ra? What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, sir.
every number has one is the one factor and itself are the factors. Total how many factors? Here we get more than 2 factors, correct? One is 5 and this number 1 and itself. Do you understand or not? More than 2 factors. So it is a composite number. Therefore, it is a composite number. Given number is composite number.
Clear? Any doubt? Anybody please ask. That is. So that is all about the 6th question. Coming to the last question now. What is the last question? All of you read, Ra, in that section. In that exercise.
Okay, sir.
Do it.
7th question. All of you should read 7th question.
There is a circular path around the sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field.
Sonia takes.
While Ravi
Sonia
takes
takes how many minutes? 18 minutes.
18
To
minutes.
drive a one round. Okay. Sonia takes 18 minutes for one round. Next.
Ravi takes 12 minutes for same, ma'am. Suppose
Ravi
they
takes
both
12
start.
minutes. Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same round. Next.
Suppose they both start at same point and
Wait.
at the same time.
Suppose they both start at same point and at the same time and go the same direction. Wherever we see the same direction, together, least, first, next. These are the keywords for LCM. Okay, wherever we see
LCM.
the together and same direction and same point. These are the keywords for LCM. All of you note down keywords for LCM and HCF first. Keywords for LCM and HCF. First LCM.
Least
keywords.
least means LCM.
Keywords. Keywords for LCM. All of you note it down. Smallest, minimum, first, next, least, repeated, over and over. Together, both, when both will meet again, when both will meet again, and when both will be equal, when both will be equal, next, repeating an event, these are the keywords for LCM. All of you note it down. These are the keywords for LCM. First one is smallest, minimum, first, next, least, repeated over and over, together, when both will be meet again, when both will be equal, repeating an event. These are the LCM keywords. Do you understand? LCM keywords. Next, HCF keywords. HCF. HCF keywords. Greatest. Wherever we see greatest, large, largest, maximum, dividing something, cutting something into, cutting or splitting, cutting something into pieces, distributing equally, distributing equally, and arranging something into groups. These are the keywords for LCM. These are the keywords for LCM. Completed?
All of you have to remember these keywords, because nowhere we can get together. If you'll find these kind of words anywhere, one is indicating LCM and one is indicating HCF. Will you remember or not? Make special box and you have to remember both. LCM, if you'll see these kind of words, you can simply blindly you can do the LCM. If you'll see these kind of words, you can do blindly what? HCF. Do you understand, Ra? Yes or no?
What is the keyword
Yes,
for
sir.
our seventh question?
Seventh question, what is the keyword? Check it now, compare.
Ma'am, both we meet
Ma'am,
the
to find
keywords.
HCF command.
Both? What is the keyword?
Ma'am, both will be meet again.
This is a keyword here. Both will meet
Yes,
again
ma'am.
and same direction.
So LCM, ma'am.
And together. Starting point is same. Correct? So,
Yes, ma'am.
seventh question. LCM or HCF? LCM or HCF?
HCF, ma'am. HCF.
See, both will meet again and together. These are the
LCM,
keywords for
ma'am.
LCM. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In army
Yes, ma'am.
question, we already saw the army question. Army Faraday. What is the keyword? And that question keyword is maximum. Correct? So, we found which one? HCF. Do you understand? Maximum number of columns. In previous question.
In the same exercise, some army Faraday is there, correct? In that, what we have done? Maximum number of rows. So maximum means what we have done?
HCF.
Correct or not? Have you remembered? Maximum number of rows.
Maximum number of columns.
Sorry, maximum number of columns. Have you remembered or not? So now solve this question.
Seventh question. What is LCM or HCF? Say anyone. LCM or HCF?
LCM or HCF, Ra? Read the question, all of you.
LCM, ma'am.
LCM. So find the LCM of time of Sonia and Ravi. LCM of 18 and 12. All of you find
12, ma'am.
LCM of 18 and 12. What is the LCM? Use factorization method.
Ma'am, 36. Ma'am, 36.
All of you got same answer? Have you got same answer? 36.
Yes, ma'am.
Solve it now, all of you.
Here both Sonia and Ravi move in the same direction at same time. So it represents LCM. So LCM of 18 and 12. Use factorization method. How to write 18? In terms of prime numbers. Product of prime numbers. 18. 2 table. How many times? Factors. 18 factors.
Ma'am,
9 times.
9, ma'am. I'm next to 3, 3, sir, ma'am.
3. So 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Next 12. 12 equal
I'm
to
next to 12, ma'am.
what
2,
are the
6, sir,
factors?
ma'am.
2 6.
2,
Next
6, sir, ma'am.
next
3, 2, sir, ma'am.
2 3 is 2 into 2 into 3. So what is the LCM of 18 and 12?
Ma'am, common 2 square, ma'am. And
So
3 square, ma'am.
LCM case
We
we take
get,
highest power, correct? So here 2
Yes,
power
ma'am.
1, 3 square, and this is 2 square into 3
2
power
square
2
into
power
3.
2.
Yes, LCM of 18 and 12 is take
2
highest
into
power.
3
Highest
square
power
into
is
2
2
square.
power
1, 2, ma'am.
1 to 2 square. In
Ma'am, 2 square, you want to take
2
1, 2, ma'am.
square into
square
3 square.
and 3 power 2. 2 square is 4. 3 square
4
is
into
9.
9.
4 9s are 36.
Third.
So what is the LCM of 18 and 12, 36. Therefore,
36.
Sonia and Ravi will meet again at the starting point after 36 minutes.
Yes,
Therefore,
ma'am.
Sonia and Ravi will meet again at the starting point after how many minutes?
36 minutes.
From 36 minutes.
36 minutes. That's all. Do you understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So with this, we'll stop, then we'll continue from here tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Yeah, prepare well.
Thank
Morning
you,
we'll
sir.
meet. Yeah, thank you so much.